Hey guys, so I was asked to look at this is from CC3, the 8th grade math, CPM CC3, and specifically looking at section 1.1.4, number 1-38. Okay, so let me see if I can get that focus a little better. All right, so we're looking at data. And with that data, I want to do a few things. Part A says to arrange the data into a stem and leaf plot. So if we look at that data, first of all, putting it in order. So 15, 19, 22, 30, 33. Oh, I missed 27. We'll just squeeze it in there. 27, 30, 33, and 51. Did I get them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. So if I'm going to find the middle, which, oh, that worked out nice. 27 actually is my middle, huh? 3 in, 3 in. So my median is 27. I also need to know my lower quartile. So lower quartile, you take the bottom half and go to the middle of the bottom half, it would be 19. My upper quartile is 33. So if I'm going to build a stem and leaf, the first thing is kind of figuring out what's going to be my range between 15 and 51 is 25, 35, 36. So I'll start here at 10, and I'm going to go by fives. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I want to get to 55, 55. So there's my number line and my box then. Let's see, my lower quartile is at 19. So I'm going to put it right here. My upper quartile is at 33, right about there. And then I build my box. I put in my median. My median is 27, right about here. And then my whiskers would go down to 15, as low as 15, and all the way up to 51. So there's my box. So that's A. So that was part A for this problem. Arrange the data in a stem and leaf plot. Okay. And then find the mean and the median. So part B, well, the median we already got, right? Median is 27. We got that when we did the box and leaf plot there. So the box plot. So the mean, remember how to do mean? Mean is actually average. So I would have to add all those numbers up and then divide by the number of numbers. So if we quickly add those numbers up, so I'm going to say 15 plus 19 plus 22 plus 27 plus 30 plus 33 plus 51. And that's going to give me 197. So the sum, so adding all those up, the sum is 197. And then I take that sum and I divide. So I take the sum and divide by the number of numbers, right? Number of numbers, which the number of numbers is 7. So I take 197, divide by 7. So my mean is 28.14. We'll round to the nearest hundredth. So 28 and 14 hundredths. There's my mean. The last question, part C, is saying if the value of 51 was replaced with 33, what measures of tendency would change and which would not? So measures of tendency, remember what measures of tendency are? Measures of tendency, so this is what you got to look up. The measures of tendency are two things. They're the mean, the central tendency. Measures of central tendency, mean or average, and median. Those are both the central tendency, measures of central tendency, mean and median. So if I change this 51 now, so I'm going to pretend that's now a 33, what changes? Does the mean change? Does the median change? Well, if we look at it, if I change 51 to 33, the order doesn't change, right? They're still in consecutive order. So the median would still be 27. So the median stays the same. If I change that to a 33, I just discovered that the median would not change. So the median stays the same. What does change is the mean would change, right? The mean would change because when I did the sum was adding all the numbers. Well, now I'm not going to be adding 51. I'm going to be adding a 33 instead. So that's going to change that, which definitely divide whatever new number it is by 7, changes the mean. So the mean would change. All right. So there you go.